Yo, YouTube, what going on, man? Hey, it's your boy Young KD back at it again. Hey, man, today it took me a whole lot to do this video, man. It's hot as hell. So if y'all boy don't mind, man, please smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. And I drop Bandlab content all the time, man, so y'all boys are not gonna regret it. Hey, today, man, I got a super clean preset for y'all, and I ain't gonna waste no time. As usual, I'm gonna let y'all boys hear how the preset sounding right now. Hey, so y'all boys be the judge of how it sounds. Hey, man, so let's go.
When you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that water on me, my shit flooded like a lake. Caught up with your bitch, and she let me paint her face. When you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that water on me, my shit flooded like a lake. Caught up with your bitch, and she let me paint her face. Niggas smoking straight gas in the coupe. Track hawk, and it came with a kit, nigga. VVS diamonds sitting all on my wrist, nigga. Yeah. When you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that water on me, my shit flooded like a lake. Caught up with your bitch, and she let me paint her face. When you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that water on me, my shit flooded like a lake. Caught up with your bitch, and she let me paint her face. Niggas smoking straight gas in the coupe. Track hawk, and it came with a kit, nigga. VVS diamonds sitting all on my wrist, nigga. Yeah.
Sheesh. Hey, y'all boys heard the preset, man. No cap in my rap, the preset sound good as hell. Hey, so right now I'm gonna show y'all everything I did to the preset and how I achieved this sound. And also I'm gonna show you how you can edit the preset up a little bit and how to make it fit your voice a little better. And I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all boys know right now that the preset is not gonna sound exactly like me, cause everybody got a different voice first off, and everybody got a different microphone. You know what I'm saying? Most of y'all might be using your headphones, some might be using USB mic, some might be using a phone mic, some might be using a professional studio mic. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna sound different for everybody. Okay, man. Hey, so the first thing I started the preset off with was a tape simulator, like I usually do. Hey, the tape simulator is just saturation. It adds a little warmness, a little character to your vocals, to get it sounding more full and more industry standard. You know what I'm saying? Hey, so that's what I did. I ain't go too crazy on the saturation. You don't want to do that because it'll start to sound distorted. Hey, so if your vocal sounds a little distorted, because of the preset, just turn the drive down on this plugin, on the saturation, on the tape simulator. Hey, the next thing we got is an easy EQ, cleaning up some of that low end muddiness and also doing a little high cut. It does the high cut automatically, like I told y'all before, but we gonna bring back that brightness back at the end, so y'all boys don't worry about that. It's nighttime now, but I still want to get the video out for y'all. The next thing we got is a graphic EQ. Y'all boys already know if you watch the videos, the graphic EQ cleans the vocal up, and it, you know what I'm saying, it takes out the bad frequencies that you don't want. You also can boost, you can do whatever you want with the EQ. You know what I'm saying? Hey, to me, the EQ, the graphic EQ is the main part that you might have to change up on the preset, because like I said, everybody microphone got a different type of sound, different type of tone. Everybody voice sounds different too also. So that's something to keep in mind. Hey, but here are the settings I got for my graphic EQ. Okay, now we got to add some brightness, so I added a multi-filter. I'm just using the high shelf on the multi-filter. I'm boosting 10K. The 10K, that's what gives you like that air sound, that brightness, that you know what I'm saying, makes it sound more like crispy. Y'all know how like airy vocal sound, so that this the 10K and up brings you that airtight sound. So this is what I did. I boosted it about 8 dB. Hey man, if the 10K, if that's adding too much harshness to y'all vocals, y'all can just turn the 10K down a little bit. Just turn it down just a little bit by a couple dB, and it should sound a lot smoother. The next thing we got is a de-esser. Since we added a lot of brightness, adding that 10K, and you know what I'm saying, and the little things that we did, the sibilance start to peek through. Y'all watch my videos, y'all know what sibilance is. It just allowed that S sound in y'all vocals, and you don't want that. You want it to be kind of smooth and tamed. Hey, so we put a de-esser on, it smoothened it out a little bit. I feel like this is perfect right here. Y'all don't gotta really change it too much. Unless it's not working for you, I would try a different frequency out. Shit, man, it's hot as a bitch in this car, boy, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, but the next plugin we got, man, the next effect, we got a compressor. We got the DigiComp, the DiGi-Comp, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? Here the settings I got. Doing some slight compression, a 4:1 ratio. Y'all boy can adjust the compression to y'all taste. This is what I got. Like I said, this is y'all preset, you feel me? I made it for y'all. Next up, man, following that process, and we got another compressor, the TechLab BA2A, doing a little squeezing, man. Hey, so if y'all want less compression, just turn the squeeze down. If you want more compression, turn the squeeze up, you feel me? Hey man, next up, we got a very important part of the preset. It makes the preset sound wide and full and just larger than life. We got something called the stereoize plugin. If you're hearing the name right, it just makes the vocal sound more stereo and more in your ear left and right than just straight down the middle. You know what I'm saying? And just mono. Hey, so man, this is what we got for the stereoize. I wouldn't go too crazy with this. If anything, I would turn it down a little bit if you got to. You know what I'm saying? But that's just my opinion. Next thing we got, y'all knew what's coming. We got to wetting the vocals up because they sound so dry. Hey, so we added some reverb. Here are the settings I got. I got a good bit of reverb on this. It was just the style I liked for these vocals. Hey, but y'all could tweak that up just like everything else, man, of course. And lastly, we got the D-Delay Plus. Just filling the vocal out and making it sound wider in the headphones. And that pretty much wraps up the video, but y'all boy make sure to stick around to the end if you want to learn more about the preset and how to work it, you know what I'm saying? I could tell who really care about the music, the ones that watch to the end to see the whole thing, man, you feel me? But right now I'm about to teach y'all boys how to change up the preset, and also I'm about to show y'all with a whole little snippet that I got. Can't show y'all the whole thing, you feel me? But if you made it this far, man, I want to say thank y'all for watching the video, man. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one. Hey, y'all boy make sure to subscribe to my Instagram, YSLKD__. Hit me up on Instagram if you want to mix. If you want a song mix on Bandlab, I'll do it cheeks. It depends. But if you got real bad quality, I'm just gonna let you know I probably can't do it. Hey man, but I'm out of here, man. Y'all boy catch me next time, no cap.
When you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be. When you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that when you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that when you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that when you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that when you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that when you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that when you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that when you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that when you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that when you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that when you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that when you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that when you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that when you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that when you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that when you poppin' pussy, nigga. When you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that water on me, my shit flooded like a lake. Caught up with your bitch, and she let me paint her face. When you poppin' pussy, nigga gon' hate. I ain't OVO, but I be sliding around with Drakes. All that water on me, my shit flooded like a lake. Caught up with your bitch, and she let me paint her face. Nigga smoking straight gas in the coupe. Track hawk, and it came with a kick, nigga. VVS diamonds sitting all on my wrist, nigga. Yeah, spent a couple of bands all on my drip, nigga. Yeah, big ARP all on my hip, nigga. Nah, nigga, I don't gang, baby, get dipped, nigga. Count bags, man, a nigga love rags. Fuck them nigga that stab me in my bag.